Hello guys, my name is Vlad and this is Area VAXLY agency. Today we are going to tour a gorgeous 2-bedroom apartment in Calpe, Spain. Situated just in a few minutes walk from the sea and offering a breathtaking views of Les Salines lake. This apartment is fully renovated and has incredibly expensive and stylish design. Let's check it out together. This flat has 75 square meters, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, located on the second floor, has a parking area for your vehicle and price is 360k. As we step inside, we are greeted by a spacious foyer designed for convenience. The entrance area offers a plenty of space to hang coats and leave shoes, while a hidden wardrobe provides additional space for your belongings. Moving into the living area, you will find a seamless connection with the kitchen, creating an open and inviting space. The kitchen and living area feature a unique tile design inspired by Patagonia marble, adding a touch of luxury to the home. Relax on contemporary green sofa and enjoy entertainment on large LG TV, surrounded by stylish decor elements that enhance the modern design. The kitchen features hidden modern appliances, microwave, dishwasher, oven, induction hotspot. In order to get a harmony of colors in this flat, we can see a stylish design elements, like the identical delicate tiles used in the living space here to protect your wall during the cooking. Plus, the clever separation from the living area enhance the comfortable living for all members. The second bedroom offers a spacious wardrobe and charming decor elements inspired by Paris. Here you will find another spacious king-size bed with the internal storage. This cozy retreat provides a comfortable space for relaxation and rest. Enter the large bathroom, which has beautiful tile that looks like marble and spatial light in the shower. This bathroom feels like a fancy spa and is designed to be both stylish and practical, giving you a peaceful place in your home. The master bedroom boasts a modern wardrobe with the hidden LED lighting and direct access to the terrace, offering stunning views of the lake. Here you will find a premium king-size bed with an orthopedic mattress and the storage space under ensuring a restful night's sleep. The room also features a bedside table with the convenient bed lights and beautiful piece of art behind the bed. Now guys, step out into the really massive size winter terrace with the breathtaking views in the Les Salines lake. The terrace offers the perfect place for relaxation and entertainment with the whole family. Plus, don't miss up the added touch of luxury, a hanging egg chair, perfect for cozying up with the book or enjoying the views. So guys, if you want to get a newly renovated 2-bedroom apartment in Calpe, Spain, and your budget is under 360k, believe me, you will not find many options with this level of quality at that price. In the description to this video, you can find the links to our social media or our website. If you want to get more details about this property or another property, just let me know. Subscribe to our channel to be updated about new listings in Costa Blanca. Thank you for joining me today, and nos vemos!